Thousands of family carers have been left shocked after the revenue commissioners sent them letters saying that they may owe back tax on a payment called carers allowance. Now, this is a means tested payment. It only goes to those people who are full time carers for someone who's, because of their age, their disability, or an illness, have to be looked after by someone else. So we're essentially talking about family carers here. It's a means tested payment, so you have to be on by definition, a low income to get it. But since the start of the year, the revenue commissioners are starting to share files with the Department of Social Protection. And from these files, they can see that thousands of people are getting these family carers allowance and may owe tax on that. Now, it's always been taxable, but a lot of carers will have assumed that they didn't owe any tax on this because they were earning too little, or that because they were means tested, this isn't taxable social welfare payment. Not all social welfare payments are taxable. So 34,000 family carers have been written to by Revenue telling them that they may owe back tax. And this has shocked them and frightened them to get these letters. They're quite formal letters as well. And they're being told by Revenue, you'll have to pay this back. If you can't pay it, we'll just reduce your credits over a 4-year period starting from next year. But it's come as a real shock to these people. Arguments are being made that these people are saving the state a fortune because they're doing a job that would be very expensive to fill if the state had to do it. This is set to ignite into a large controversy. Family carers are very vulnerable. Financially, they tend not to be very wealthy, most of them. And if they're getting the carers allowance, they're by definition not on high incomes because it's means tested. So Revenue have really set the cat among the pigeons on this one by sending out 34,000 letters to carers.